Protests going on in Raleigh and other parts of the Triangle, Durham too, since this past weekend. And now attorneys are stepping in to help represent people who were arrested. As CBS 17's Jamise Price reports, some of those attorneys are offering their services for free. Jamise.
Bill, protesters were up and down Fayetteville Street. We've been seeing them for the last few days, and since this weekend, there have been more than 40 arrests here in Wake County. Those charges ranging from resisting an officer, disorderly conduct, breaking and entering, and violating the city's curfew here in Raleigh. But some of those folks, they will get some help as far as a representation. That representation, free. Attorney Damon Cheston took to social media to put out this message during the Raleigh protests. It's to offer for free pro bono representation for people who were arrested during these protests.
When I saw that there were protests happening and people exercising their First Amendment constitutional rights, I thought it was important that people understand that if they were going to be arrested for what was, in my view, entirely legal activity, that they should have representation.
He was downtown for the protests on Saturday. During the day as a participant, at night as a legal observer. Here's how he saw things.
I do not believe there should be any violence at all, but I also believe that Raleigh police should behave in a measured and de-escalated way, and I do not believe that they acted that way.
Cheston says in these difficult times it's important for the law to be applied equally.
If we want to de-escalate things in Raleigh, then it has to be done in an even-handed way. Just as you cannot have people walking around Raleigh and vandalizing storefronts, you cannot have people in Raleigh who are walking around the streets with military-grade rifles. Both crimes need to be treated as serious crimes.
Wake County District Attorney LORRIN FREEMAN sees it differently. Her office will prosecute a number of these cases.
Our law enforcement, does a good job of trying to give them the opportunity to exercise their First Amendment rights. I think when it crosses over to there being damage to people's property, again, that's where we have to step in. We have to enforce the law.
A number of people have been charged with felonies in these cases. Now, under the state law, if a person is charged during a state of emergency participating in a protest that involved looting and damage of property, their offense could be upgraded to a felony, and the district attorney says that's what we're seeing right now. Live in Raleigh, Jamise Price, CBS 17 News.